my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. Today I'm using my steamer. I'm steaming crab and dough. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. This is what I will be using to steam the crab and the dough in today. Okay, now I will leave a link for you in the description box below, so be sure to check that out if you'd like to purchase one for yourself today. God bless you. This one is for Charmaine Delavo, who has left us. She's now in a better place. Charmaine, we will miss you. Your co-workers over there at the Linden Pinland International Airport, they will miss you. I know that you were one of my #1 fans. I will miss you, my dear. May your soul rest in eternal peace. And I will continue to bring the restaurant home. There is another video here preparing crab and dough. Whichever method suits you, go ahead and work it. These are here for you. God bless you. This is how I like to add my salt and pepper. Just make a little mixture with some water. Mix it together and then you pour it on over. Now this is not going to stay in the pot. It's going to sink through because this is a steamer. Continue watching. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.